Hi, Dennis Hall with LearningTemplates.com. I'm going to demonstrate how you can add h5p content into your LearnDash course lesson quiz, course lesson topic, quiz, or question, and have that content tracked and controlling the mark complete button in the case of a lesson or topic, not in the case of a quiz or question or course. But to have it control the mark complete button only when the user has completed that h5p interaction. As with any h5p interaction, you're simply going to add the interaction using the add h5p button. So we'll go ahead and insert that, and that's it. That's all there is to it. It's no different than adding h5p content regularly. What makes it different, though, is here, manage this lesson experience, which you also see in topics, courses, quizzes, and questions. So we have a meta box named Manage This Course, Lesson, Topic, Quiz, Question Experience. And all you do is you turn on Record xAPI data. You can also, if you wish, add competencies into the mix. It's up to you. You can then rewrite the verb that would be sent to the LRS. So what this is, in the case of LRSs, quite often they're going to just say the single word. Like in this case, I'm going to select launched as the ADL verb, and this list comes from the U.S. Department of Defense ADL servers for your information. So it's a live list, always being updated by the U.S. DoD. Anyhow, either way, you can now rewrite that verb to say whatever you want. So in this case, I'm saying used an h5p interaction in, and that's going to translate to launched. Once that's done, that's all it takes to activate user progression. So if this h5p interaction is capable of sending completion data or past and complete data to the LRS, then we will pick that up. LearnDash LMS xAPI will pick that up, and it will control the mark complete button. If your h5p interaction is not capable of sending xAPI data, that's something that you'll have to address with h5p. That's their product. But before you do that, you would want to go to the h5p.org website, which I have identified in the LearnDash xAPI help topics. And you can find out from there if that will be able to control the mark complete. So that's all there is to it, to adding h5p content and having it control your lesson. So let's go ahead and let's just view the lesson. Hopefully I haven't already completed it. I have not. So here I have a lesson. And this is the h5p interaction. Let's go ahead and let's just go through this. I got 1 of 1 point. It's done, and it's not controlling the mark. Oh, topic is not complete, so we need to go into the topic, and we need to do the old famous blueberries. Check that. And here, in this topic, I'm marking that complete. So if I edit the topic, you will see what I've done here. And the reason the lesson didn't complete is because the topic wasn't completed. So as with the lesson, I've done the same thing, exactly the same thing. I've added in the h5p interaction. I've recorded the xAPI data. In this case, I didn't add a competency. I simply wrote the word viewed here and viewed.